Once again,
I'm gonna make the side table or the entrance table to my vanity mirror. And guys, as you can see, I went to the hardware store and the guy was so good to me. He gave me all these pieces free and he cut them for me. They're 30 inches in length, and there guys, I have two pieces. I'm gonna nail them together and I'm gonna use them for the bottom, and this is the top. It's like 3 feet and 3 inches, and so I'm gonna nail them together. And what you need, I have my hammer. You can use screw and screwdriver, and I have a measuring tape, and I have some nails of different sort. I think I have some 3.5 inches and like some 1.5 inches, and I have some tack as well. Now I'm gonna use these like 1.5 inch nails, and I'm gonna nail these two pieces firmly together so I can have a good hole of the bottom, and then I'm gonna nail these pieces on. This is where I'm at, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom, and I'm gonna nail everything together, and then I'm gonna show you. Make sure everything is not moving, guys. See, I shake it, then you go ahead and hammer away. One for the road. Make sure it's sink past the board, because we're gonna put the glass on top. Just like that, guys. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom. That's it. It's all done.
Okay, I have the hammer.
What you doing with hammer, Shelly? Are you making?
Yeah.
Are you making lion, Shelly?
No.
What?
No.
Nail one nail, let me see.
How me I could nail nails?
All right, so guys, my friend is here again, but guys, I finish it. I also
had a breezer.
Oh, and she gave me a breeze. I had half. She wanna drunk me out here, guys, but I'm not drinking the entire thing. She had all of hers. See, I have half of mine, so she's sweet a little bit now. She's sweet.
With one breezer.
One breezer. So guys, I finish, and as you can see, I put some edge around it too, because I'm gonna spray paint it, and I'm gonna add some bling to the edges. Now I'm gonna spray paint it, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna spray it in the gray. That's the first coat. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna spray it and come right back. So now guys, I put the gray coat on it first, and it's dry. Now I'm gonna go over it with this silver. So I finished spray it all in silver, and then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna add my glass to it. Now guys, I have some glitter here, and I have some Mod Podge, and I'm gonna add it to the bottom. I'm gonna paint the entire thing, and then I'm gonna do a second coat. And this is how it's looking so far. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay out all these mirrors right around on the top. Shelly, you're gonna help me?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
From corner to corner.
Yes. Here we're gonna get it done.
And then I'm gonna use my glue. And so guys, I'm gonna use this glue. I got it from Home Hardware. They fix me up. This one is good for glass, and this is a silicone. It's good for glass, metal, all of that thing. Wood.
She go to big store.
Where I go, Shelly?
Home Hardware.
And so guys, it's like this. Now what I'm gonna do, there it is guys, it's gonna look somewhat like this on the top, and I'm gonna use some of this one. This is where I'm at. I put some mirrors right in the center as well, and I got them from the Dollar Tree. Look at my hand guys, full of paint. And then on the sides I have these smaller one from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm gonna lay them there. Okay guys, and then I'll come right back. It's drying so far, And there you have it, guys. I add some of the small glass to the center. I put some silicone on it, and then I'm just gonna add it just right here. I'm showing you the sides. I add the little smaller mirrors at the sides. I'm gonna use 6 of them. I took the backings off the little pieces, and this is my silicone, and I just add some to the ends. Just like that, and you want to hold it in place. And I'm gonna continue with these bling wrap, these diamond wrap, and as I show you on the previous video, I got them from the Dollarama, and most of the stuff I got from the Dollarama and the Dollar Tree. And there it is, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bling out the edge, and I'm gonna use just my hot glue gun to do this. I'm gonna finish right around, and then I'm gonna add a little piece right here. And what I did here, guys, I add also about 2 rows down the sides as well. I cut a little piece of that bling wrap, and I add it to the center of my mirrors, just like that. And guys, now I got these little bling stuff from the Dollar Tree. The base part, it's beautiful as is because I glam it out with my Mod Podge and my silver glitter. So I went ahead and I add 1 row of the rhinestone bling to it. Just 1 row is good enough. Now guys, I'm just gonna clean it all up, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. My entrance table or my side table. I just show you how you can decorate it if you want. I add some candle holders, my napkin holders, tissue box. I decorate. Look at those mirrors, very cheap and affordable. And there you have it, guys, up close and personal. Wow, can you actually see the reflection of my mirror in it, guys? It's super awesome. And this is now a set, my first vanity mirror or wall mirror, and then my beautiful entrance or side table. Look at that, guys. I am so in love with it. Very nice, very detailed. And there you have it, guys. I'm super in love with it, so in love with it, yes. And guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed, and put God first. All right, and look at my vanity mirror again, guys. Yes, both of them together. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys, love upon me, and I love upon you. Mwah.